Hello guys, welcome to the new video where I'm going to talk about how to use products or how to list your product on your Google business profile and what are the benefits of it and why most of the people, almost 70 to 80% of the people miss it out and they do not use product section. Okay, so let's go onto the screen. So the headline which says like how to edit products in your GMB profile. Let's go ahead and directly jump into some live example. So for example, I'll just take one example where there is a physical product. Okay, for example, Gitanjali Enterprises, they have a physical product for gown on rent for pre-wedding or maternity photo shoot. Now, how do we edit products or how do we add products? First, let's get into it. So this one section, if you check here, there are multiple options, right? One of the options says edit products. I'll just click on the edit product and this is how it opens. Here you can click on add products. Into the add product section, you can just put the product name like red gown on rent, for example, and then there's a product category section. Now this is very important. In the product category section, you have option to create new product, and when Google is giving you option to create new product, why can't we use it in a right way? Okay, here into this section we are going to use the exact primary keyword where we want to rank. Okay, so let's write it down. For example, if I just want to rank on pre-wedding photo shoot gown on rent, so this is one of the keyword I want to rank on and I'm just putting this as a category. Then I can drag one photo and post it over there. Next, I can put like product price if there is a product price, which is optional. If you want to put it, put it. If you don't want to, just leave it. Then product description. Into the product description section, this is really powerful. What you are going to use? You are going to talk about the product. And when you are going to talk about the product, you're going to talk about the product features and benefits. And when you describe the features and benefit, again you are going to use the keywords. And this is how you help Google to understand what kind of business you are in and you increase your relevancy. And relevancy is one of the factors to rank your Google business profile, right? So this is how you can, write about the features like why you are spending, let's say 10,000 rupees for buying one gown where you can rent 10 gowns in the same budget, do the photo shoot and done, right? So you can talk about the features and benefits and everything. Okay, now not only this, if you have something like a landing page, you can put the landing page URL, etc. Okay, now how does it look like? So if I just go and check from the user's perspective, I'll just click on view all. See, as a customer, I'm getting more convinced that okay, they have the setup products, they have the setup gown and I can see it. Okay. Second option I have is like if I'm convinced, I can call you directly, means call this business owner directly. So this is the second option I have. How it is important from Google perspective? From the Google perspective, Google is getting a direct input of what kind of business this particular business is. Okay, what kind of category of the business they are in. What is the primary keyword and everything where they should be ranking on the top. And this is one of the powerful aspect. Now, why I say 70 to 80% of the people do not update products? Because unlike this physical product, there are so many products which is non-physical, I mean intangible products. Okay, these are tangible products. For example, if you're in a service business, like you are an AC repair shop or if you're a photographer, let's say you're a digital marketer, you think that I don't have product, I don't have physical product, and for that matter, this particular option is not applicable to me. But you are 100% wrong. I'll tell you how. Let me show you the example. Let's take this example of Vijay Studio. Let's see what is, so Vijay Studio is they are in wedding photographer in Lucknow. Okay. Now let's see how it looks like, and he is one of my clients. Best wedding photographer, candid photographer, pre-wedding photographer, wedding photographer. Can you see on this particular segment, this particular area of the section of the Google business profile, he is clearly mentioning that what kind of photography he is in, and we are directly using the keyword into the category section. That is number one. Number two, pre-wedding photographer, best wedding photographer. This is not something which is tangible product. It's not something that I can touch, right? But it's a service. But service is also a product. For example, Google My Business course. Google My Business is also product. Google My Business service is also a product. Similarly, wedding photographer is a product, and through this product we are putting a lot of images and everything to showcase whether we really work on that particular segment or not. Got it? So it's very important to understand this aspect, and you need to update all your product categories and always keep updating your product section to ensure that you increase the relevancy of your Google Business Profile. I'm sure that you are going to be in top 10% of the people who are going to update the product section and rank your Google Business Profile on the top. To watch other videos and other aspect of the Google Business Profile and how we rank it, keep watching. And if you have not subscribed, just click the subscribe button, and so that you can get most of the new videos very soon. See you.